guess the best part about drag racing is the rush. I mean, you're sitting there in the car, hot, sweat running down, you're trying to keep it out of your eyes, and that instant lunch of power when the wheels come back down on the ground. I mean, I told my wife it was the next best thing to sex. I built a lot of cars for a lot of customers that don't drive them, and that irks me. You know, I built them to drive. Built my first engine when I was 16, haven't quit. The old school hot rods, there's not many of us guys left. I bought my first one, this one, when I was 21. I'm an inheritance from my father, got killed in the war, went all the way to Baldwin Motion in Long Island, New York to get it. Drag raced it for 8 years, won C Super Stock World Champ 3 times, won everything that Super Chevy can offer. I've won 8 first place Super Chevy events, and a lot of people say, why didn't you put it back original? Well, original wasn't good enough. I'm a crazy addicted to speed. Was at 427 when I initially purchased it. Now, since the restoration, it's 540, makes 717 horsepower at the rear tire, which is enough to get in plenty of trouble. Call it the beast. When I get in the car, I'm 16, 17 years old again. Yeah, it's hard to find a woman that will tolerate drag racing, being gone all the time. I met my wife at blind date at the drag strip with that car. She has now passed away, from cancer. She's in a better place. And my wife was on her dying bed in my arms. She asked me to not drag race the car no more and not sell the car, because she knew what the car meant to the whole family. I discovered the Nano was by internet. I do a lot of online research because I won't recommend nothing to nobody until I've tested it myself. I read everything about it, so I decided to go buy a bottle. I tried it. Within 5 minutes, I seen an increase in oil pressure. I seen a decrease in water temperature. I seen the engine run smoother. And a solid lifter motor is going to have a noise to it. But now the rattle of the lifters are more even. Every weekend on a pretty day, not going to rain, I'm gone. Go to Myrtle Beach, Daytona. Before, I would go on a 150 to 200 mile trip. I'd come back, I need a half a quart of oil. Hot rod is hot rod. Since I've been using the Nano oil supplement, have not added any oil to it at all. I'm old, I love my AC. And it's going to run hotter with AC. I've got the best aluminum radiator money can buy in it with electric fans, and still had a heat issue, 195, 200 degrees. Some people say that's not bad. I don't like that. So I put 2 bottles of Nano water treatment in it. Temperature went down to 185 degrees. First trip out the door. I use the product every time I change the oil. Can't argue with perfection. It works. The damn stuff works. When I give it to my children, when I leave this old world, I have no doubt that the Nano products will keep my engine alive forever.